As soon as they touch it. As soon as they touch it, Bears. Go!
Go! Oh.
Was that a fluke?
Yeah!
I like that one.
Hey, will you
Go!
put me on?
Go! Charge them! Alison Smeagol does that good. Man, the minute they touch it, she was like,
Oh yeah, she's right there.
She was like in their face.
Girls, you're way offside.
Yeah, Morgan and Allison are both offside, but that's okay.
He hasn't called that because we've done
Well,
that like 3 times.
Unless they're
I know.
involved with the play, it's not offsides. They have to
Oh,
be.
it has to be passed over to them?
Well,
Yeah,
either
if- yeah, if
passed
they're
or
not-
they have to be somehow with the play.
Goes over their head.
Like for instance, if they were to come up and she was to kick it back there and somehow they were in front of the goalie.
Stay up, Allison.
Even
Go!
though they didn't touch
Go!
it. They would,
Go! Kick it! Kick it! Kick it!
yeah.
Those little touches are like, oh.
Good job, Allison. Good
get a
job.
You can't go wrong with these.
Hey guys.
Let's go do Tono. Thomas, what did Kayla do with the directions? We have directions somewhere here. I'll get them for you.
Let me. If not, I could just tell you. We have directions somewhere, I think. Well, we're in Ashley Woods.